Hello?
Yeah, so no one subscribed to you.
What?
The people that's watching,
So wait, you're telling me the people that's watching this video is not yet subscribed?
yeah, they don't care about you.
How does it even make sense? How did you know?
Because I'm YouTube.
Oh, alright, hold on. Let me tell them. This guy on the phone, he just called and said, if you're new, remember to subscribe and turn on post notifications. I don't know why, but I got the iPhone 12 Pro Max, so I thought you guys wanted to see it, but he just called and said, hey, you guys need to sub, you need to drop a like, comment, share the video. I don't know why, but that's what he said. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Shimon here, back with another video, and I just picked up the iPhone 12 Pro Max right here and also the 12 mini. I'll be doing the 12 mini unboxing in a different video. Let me grab it real quick. The 12 mini unboxing will be at the end of this video, so make sure you check that out. But for now, we gotta look at the iPhone 12 Pro Max in the gold colorway. I've never seen the gold before, so I'm really excited to see what this looks like. As usual, with all my unboxing, it's just a quick unboxing, and then I'll do a full review on the phone. So if you want to see my review or a day in the life using this iPhone 12 Pro Max, make sure you guys stay tuned. But yeah, let's get to the unboxing. All right, so here we go. The iPhone 12 Pro Max. You already know how much I love this part. This is the biggest phone Apple has ever made. 6.7 inches. I think the iPhone 12 is 6.1 inches and the mini, I think, is 5.7 inches. But yeah, here we go. 12 Pro Max, baby. You see me in the black and gold shirt. Ooh. Wee! That gold. Look at that gold. That looks sick. I know the sides is gonna look way better too. Oh my God. Look at this. It's like jewelry. It's like jewelry. Look at it compared to my other 12 Pro, my 11 Pro. Wow. As you can see, this 11 Pro is more of a gold. This one is like a, I don't know, it's like a off-white creamish kind of look, but wow. Let's reveal the screen before we get the fingerprints on the sides. Magnifico. Look at this. No, this deserves some beauty shots. Come on, man. While this is booting up, roll them beauty shots, Chevy. So you might be saying, what else do we get inside? You know, the typical stuff. We got the lightning cable, USB-C to lightning, and we also get some paperwork. Nothing too serious. SIM ejector tool, one Apple sticker. As you guys can see, literally one Apple sticker, SIM ejector tool. That's all we get inside the box. Alright guys, so I just finished playing with the phone for around 30 minutes, and man, I have to say, I was saying I'm gonna stick with the 11 Pro Max because it wasn't much of an upgrade, but the 12 Pro Max just feels so much better in the hand. It just feels good, man. It feels like the phone I'm supposed to be using here in 2020. The cameras are good. It has that LiDAR scanner. I know the battery life isn't that good compared to the 11 Pro Max because I've seen a lot of tests and everyone is saying, well, all the tests show that the 11 Pro Max has a better battery life. So yeah, and the color, the gold on the sides looks amazing. And as I said before, it just feels way more better than these rounded corners on the 11 Pro Max. 12 Pro Max is way easier to grip in my opinion. But yeah, that was just that quick unboxing showing you guys what the 12 Pro Max look like. Let me know what you think about this phone down below in the comments, guys. Please let me know what you think. But I don't know, is it Pacific Blue or is it the gold? Because this gold is hitting different. It's literally hitting different. Which gold do you prefer as well? 12 Pro Max gold or 11 Pro Max Gold. You see them right here. But yes, guys, click this video right here if you want to watch my iPhone 12 mini unboxing. But don't forget, full review, camera test, everything, comparisons will be going on soon with this device right here. So make sure you guys come back for that video. As always, love, peace. Ooh, sorry, baby. Love, peace, and tweaks. Signing out.